What's up, you guys? So I'm out here in the garage doing some work for this upcoming project I have for you guys. As you can see, we got all the tools laid out and everything. It's gonna be right here. But real quick, I want to show you guys a little gym hack you guys can do. This works way better if you guys have a metal squat rack, but I don't, so I'll show you guys how to do it either way. So let's get to it. Alright, so you're only going to need two things for this little hack. So you're going to need neodymium magnets and some super glue. It doesn't really matter what kind you get, but I just got this one. And obviously you're going to need your barbell clamps. Alright, so pretty much this is what it is. Let me move so you guys can get the light. But all it is a place to put your barbell collars so you never lose them. I know a problem that I had was that I'll be working out and I'll just set them randomly and then I'll lose them and it wastes time while I'm working out. So what I decided to do is get some magnets, right? And so we stick some magnets onto the actual collar. I put two of them. I think I'm gonna end up putting two right here, so one right here and one right here, and then I put a magnet on the actual squat rack. I don't know if you guys can see that. That way, whenever you take them off the barbell, you set them right there and you know exactly where they are. Alright, so you're gonna need two things for this, well, three things for this. You're gonna need neodymium magnets, you're gonna need super glue, and your barbell clamps. So come over here. So what we're gonna do over here, so what we're gonna do for the barbell clamp is you're gonna take, I'm gonna use two. You don't have to use two, but I'm just using two because I want it to have a stronger hold. And what you want to make sure is that you get the sides that attract each other, not the sides that repel each other. Because if you glue it and you find out that you actually have the sides that repel each other, it's pretty hard to remove the magnets once you glue them already. So I'm just gonna put one right there and another one and another one on this other one right here. So you'll just take your super glue and I'll just put a little bit of dot if you can get closer. Just put a little bit of dot right there. Doesn't need too much, because then it'll take forever to dry. About it, and then I just like to put some around it just to make sure it won't come off. And then we'll do the same thing with the other one. Now these magnets are so strong that if you place one right next to it right here, as you saw earlier, they actually snap together. So I'm gonna wait a little bit just so it dries up, so it doesn't snap onto this one with glue all over it. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not moving anymore, so I think we're safe to go ahead and put this one. Do the same thing over here, put a little dot, and just set it on top. Now, like what I'm doing here is making sure that the sides that attract each other are facing each other, so that when I put it on the rack, I know what side I should face outwards. Closer. So this side's the one that faces outwards. So I'm just gonna put a little dot of super glue right there, and we're just gonna put it on there. Hold it for a little bit and it should be dry already. And then I'll just put some around it just to make sure that it doesn't come undone. And that's about it. So we'll wait for it to dry and then I'll show you guys how it came out. Alright, so one thing you want to make sure you do is wherever you're gonna put the magnet, you want to make sure you scratch it up just to give it like some more surface area for the glue to stick and hold better. Because the first time I showed you guys, I didn't do it. I did do it on that side though, but I didn't think it was as necessary. But when I stuck the barbell collar on, the magnet actually came off. So what we're gonna do is, if you could see, I scratched it up, and we're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna put some glue on here and stick it on, and then I'm just gonna press on it just to make sure that it actually sticks on. Put some super glue around it, and we'll just wait for it to dry. Alright, so a couple minutes later, and this is how it came out. So now you'll never lose a barbell clamp again. So that's it for this little short gym hack. So if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe so you guys stay up to date with all the videos. But that's it for this one. Thank you guys for watching.